Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we're going to set up an Azure DevOps account from scratch. We'll cover creating your account, setting up an organization, and launching your first project all in just a few minutes. This short guide is perfect if you're looking to get started with Azure DevOps quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and get your environment ready for streamlined development and team collaboration. This is my Azure portal dashboard. If you haven't yet created an Azure DevOps account, it's a simple process. Just search for Azure Create Account in your browser, and you'll find straightforward instructions to get started. On this page, you can choose between creating a free account or opting for a pay-as-you-go account, depending on your needs and preferences. By signing up for an Azure free account, you receive a $200 credit to use within the first 30 days for exploring and testing various Azure services. This credit is in addition to the ongoing free services and allows you to try out more resources beyond the free tier. Once the $200 credit is used up or the 30 days have elapsed, you can either upgrade to a pay-as-you-go account or continue with the limited free services provided by the free account. The pay-as-you-go account does not include an initial credit but gives you access to all Azure services with billing based on your actual usage. I'll now return to the Azure portal dashboard. From here, I will select Azure DevOps Organization. You will be directed to this page, where you need to click on the My Azure DevOps Organization link. As you can see here, I have already created a DevOps organization. If this is your first time visiting this page, you won't see this. Instead, you will only see a Create New Organization button. Clicking on this button will allow you to create a new organization. You'll need to enter a name for your organization, and then you can proceed with the creation. Since I already have an organization set up, I won't be creating a new one at this time. Next, I'll click on the organization link and proceed to create a new project. You can see here that you'll be prompted to select a work item process. This process determines how you manage and track work items, such as tasks and bugs, within your project. You can choose from several predefined templates, including Agile, Scrum, or Basic, based on your project's needs and methodology. However, in our case, we will not be using these work item features, as our focus will be primarily on the technical aspects. Next, I will be clicking the Create button. Now you can see the overview page. Here, you can see the boards feature. For our upcoming tutorials, we won't be using this feature, so I will be disabling it. To do this, I'll navigate to the project settings. From there, you can easily turn off the boards feature. In here, the Repos menu is where you manage your code. You can view your repositories, clone them, and handle version control tasks. It also helps you with branching, pull requests, and code reviews, making it easier to work with your team and keep your development process smooth. Also, the Pipelines menu is where you manage your build and release processes. It helps you set up automation to build, test, and deploy your code, making it easier to keep your projects up to date and running smoothly. Also, the Artifacts menu is where you manage and share packages and dependencies. It helps you store and organize libraries and other components your projects need, so you can easily reuse them across different projects and keep everything organized. In future tutorials, I'll cover all of these features in detail. Make sure to check out my playlist for more in-depth information and guidance. That wraps up our look at setting up Azure DevOps and exploring its key features. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates. Your support helps me create more content and bring you valuable information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.